Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to draft a short sleeve pattern with an inbuilt bow detail. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothing Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: tape measure, paper scissors, ruler and French curve, sellotape. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I'll be making use of this black marker pen, pins, basic short sleeve pattern, pattern paper. So on this short basic sleeve pattern, I've already drawn the middle line. At the sleeve edge from the middle line, I will measure and mark 1/4 inch on both sides like this. At the hem of the sleeve, I will measure and mark 2 inches inwards from the side seams like this. I will now connect the top of the sleeve to the hem of the sleeve, following the marks that I just made like this. The line should be slanted. I will now go ahead and slide the sleeve following the slanted lines that I just made from the top to the hem, but I won't cut all the way through. So on this new pattern paper, I have already drawn a middle line vertically. I will now place the slash sleeve on the new pattern paper with the middle line matching up with the middle line on the sleeve. I will pin in place like this. I will now go ahead and spread open the upper part of the sleeve by 7 inches. I will work with this side first, this side. I will open it up by 7 inches. I will pin in place. Then I will connect the space in between with a horizontal line like this. I will locate the middle point on the horizontal line. I will now square the line down to the hem of the sleeve like this. I will do the same thing for the other side as well. I will go ahead and extend the 2 middle lines vertically above the sleeve like this. I will also extend the 2 1/4 inch marks that I made at the sleeve edge vertically above the sleeve like this also. I will also do the extension above the sleeve edge on both sides, or should I say edges of the slash like this. The extension should be 7 inches long. I will connect them together horizontally like this. It should be 7 inches long. Using my French curve, I will go ahead and correct the sharp corner at the hem of the sleeve like this. I will now go ahead and cut out the sleeve pattern. I will cut out the 1/4 inch wide extension on both sides of the middle line like this. Using my sellotape, I will secure the sleeve slash pieces in place like this. I will now go ahead and demonstrate how the bow detail will be formed on the sleeve. So I will fold the pattern like this just to show you how the bow detail will be formed. So after doing this, I will go ahead and cut out the sleeve pattern on my fabric. So now I have gone ahead to cut out the sleeve pattern on this calico fabric. I also cut out this facing that will be used at the hem of the sleeve. As for the middle part, what I will do is just to slash it via the middle line, and I will snip the corner 1/2 inch from the end of the middle line like this. So the first thing I would do is to sew the facing to the hem of the sleeve. I will use 1/2 inch sewing allowance for this. So I'll go ahead and attach the facing to the hem of the sleeve. So now that has been done, I will fold the sleeve into two like this, and I will sew the middle slash line from the top to the snip that we made earlier using 1/4 inch seam allowance. I will also join the sides together from the top to the sleeve edge using 1/2 inch seam allowance. So the stitching has been done. I will snip into the corner like this. I will now go ahead and fold the sleeve like this, so that the two seam lines match up. I will now go ahead and stitch horizontally using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see. I will now go ahead and turn the sleeve to the right side. So now I've turned it to the right side. So I should have a tiny opening here, courtesy of the snip that we made earlier. I've also gone ahead to make this band, and it is about ½ an inch wide after it has been sewn, and it's about 2 inches long. I will use a needle and thread to gather the upper part of the sleeve like this. I will now go ahead and insert the tiny band via the opening that I showed you earlier. After inserting it, I will use it to wrap the gathers that I've already made. I will use it to wrap it around like this. I will now turn it to the wrong side, to the other side of the sleeve like this. On the other side of the sleeve, I will use my needle and thread to secure the band in place. I will now go ahead and carefully arrange the drapes on the sleeve so that the bow detail on the sleeve will be very obvious. So that's it, guys. We are done. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.